Look at you. Look at you. Whoa, look at you. Look at this face. Look at this face. Look at this face. Look at this face. You guys, today's vlog is gonna be short and spicy and cut to the chase. It was a vlog day, but Marianne was in the kitchen and I decided to pick up the camera to show you guys all this yumminess that she was cooking, and hopefully you guys enjoy. I know you guys has really been enjoying her cooking since she's been with me. So today's vlog is just going to be all that and a little of yumminess and drooling around your phones and computers. But we'll be back tomorrow with regular length vlogs and all the shebangs that we've been carrying on with. But for now, enjoy what you guys are about to see today, or enjoy what you saw today. Love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up with us. And like I said, we'll be back tomorrow with regular everybody in the vlog and stuff like that. Enjoy all this yumminess. Love you guys. If you're new to the channel, be sure you subscribe. And here's baby girl. You guys getting a glimpse of her, of course. Look at her. Milked out. You milked out? You guys, today isn't even vlog day, but Marianne is in the kitchen, so my camera have to come out because she's cooking. Alright, she's cooking macaroni and cheese, and I think she's gonna put it in the oven after, and then she's cooking some form of shrimp. So I have to show you guys what she's doing. Curry shrimp you're doing? She's still currying. Alright, so this is her macaroni and cheese going. Tell me again what you did.
Boil the pasta
in water.
In a little salt and water. So literally, it's literally just water and salt. Half boil the pasta. You know, make it boil and ready. Just half boil. So when that's half boil now, I add little milk.
Okay.
Normal cow's milk.
Okay.
And I just simmer a bit. Once that comes to the boil, which it is now coming. I'm not to boil up on the stove, so I'm gonna watch it. Once it kind of come to the boil, these two. Then I'm gonna add cheddar cheese sauce.
To this?
Yeah.
With all that liquid?
With all this liquid.
Okay.
All this loveliness.
Okay.
Because when I add it,
so this is what she's adding.
Yeah. Cheddar cheese sauce. So it's just literally cheese.
Oh, so you don't have to mix this out in nothing, you just add it to it as is?
Just mix, yeah.
Okay.
Because it's going to stay there and just like kind of simmer.
Alright.
And get thick. And then we're going to add cheese to it.
Grated cheese over here.
Yeah, that's cheddar. This
okay.
One. Same cheddar.
Okay.
Extra mature.
Okay.
And basically, that's it. When you thick enough, I turn it out in the pan, sprinkle little cheddar cheese on the top, so that I put it in the oven, then you get the cook and get crispy. And that's it. Plain cheddar cheese.
We shall show you guys the steps.
Because the kids don't want nothing in there, but you can't be adventurous with it. But kids want it plain.
Alright.
So it's just a plain.
Okay, cool. Very good. So now she add the cheddar cheese sauce.
Yeah.
You carry this from England?
Yeah.
Because I've never seen this before.
Yes, I took them with me because
Lord have mercy. You know your kids well.
Now, let me tell you what it is. When me talk to you, I listen. So if I say Mel, cheddar cheese sauce, and you go what? Me say okay, suitcase. So anything me hear your second guess on, I make sure I carry these kids.
So it's the cheddar cheese sauce that really make it become thick, right?
Yeah, kind of just powder cheese. If you don't have the cheddar cheese sauce, you can
use normal cheese or you make your sauce.
Yeah, and make your own sauce on the stove. Like, but this is just a lazy quick form because you could take your milk and your normal cheese and you make your own sauce.
Yeah.
But shorthand.
Oh, that's how you got in shape.
What?
That's how you got in shape. It actually looks nice. Well, it hasn't gone in the oven yet.
Don't worry about the liquid where you see it, because all of it you'll see when we
It's
finish.
gonna gone?
It's gonna be all gone. All of this liquid you see, it's gonna be all gone. Because if you put it in the oven, well, it's not gonna go in just like this now.
Right.
You're gonna see it simmer down.
Right.
But if you put it in dry,
You won't have nothing to bake it really.
exactly. And then when you take it out, everything is gonna be
Right,
It's gonna be pasta.
right.
You pick up with the.
Right.
It's not gonna be able to cut and make,
Right,
you know.
right. I
So
see
you
what you
have to
mean.
have some form of liquid.
I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Cool.
Just you know, if you realize it, I get
Yeah, it is. I realize that.
That'll get even thicker. Now I'm just gonna add the cheese and literally turn it off.
Okay.
As soon as the cheese melts in it,
Mm-hmm.
literally turn it off and throw it out in my pan, put it in my oven. That's it, really. There's nothing complicated about it. Just turn off the stove because all I need is just the heat to melt the cheese.
Right.
I don't really need it to cook
Right.
because it's already cooked.
Delicious. And you guys want me to eat Marian food every day. It's not possible.
Why?
You mad? When I fat like a man pig.
Oh, well, that's why you work out. You kill exercise every day, so nothing wrong.
Yeah, but me not work out to eat like this every day.
Give me the pan
Wicked
and
piece
turn
of
it
girl.
out. Easy.
Jeez, this is the right pan.
Exactly, I told you. So that's literally.
And Princess waking up. Okay, you're gonna
This
stick this in the
answer-
oven for how long?
Just for the top, because it's already cooked.
Yeah, I know,
So
but
it's
I just
for
want
the
an
top.
idea of how
You
long.
know, so I'm gonna use measure.
So you're just gonna look and tell.
We just know when the pot done.
Alright, cool.
I don't have no time or no measurement.
Looks
and
good.
Unfortunately.
Topping it off with some fresh cheese.
Yeah, this is gonna go crispy on the top.
Right.
And yeah, all the fatness and the loveliness.
Exactly. 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 You're funny.
But you don't have to use.
You're funny. Marianne,
cheese,
Marianne, you can't convince me to eat like this
No,
every day. So
no.
don't,
What you could do
don't
is use your
even.
use your semi.
Don't even.
You can make it. You can make it, laddie.
We might make it everyone and anyone and 2 time, but
Make it the healthy way. But if we ever change our ingredients, now this is them not eat it. They want them fat.
okay. So continuation of Marianne cooking with the what's in the oven again? What's it called? Again?
Macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese. She's
Homemade
cooking
macaroni and
shrimp,
cheese.
curry shrimp to be exact. What you have in there?
Potato, onion, thyme, sweet pepper. But you know you burn your
Curry.
curry in the oil first.
Okay. Yeah, garlic. We smell garlic.
Garlic, yes, garlic. Yeah.
Okay.
Just wait for
And
it.
of course a shrimp, so this won't take long.
No, no.
And our good secret ingredients.
Secret ingredients, you see?
Jamaican's
Make sure they
favorite.
know no written, nothing upon the back.
And the secret thing.
No, tell them why these are the secret things. This can literally
yes.
go on anything here.
Anything at all you cook in Jamaica, this seasoning is bomb.
Yep.
I hope you're not done before she left there.
And literally, you can actually make it yourself.
Yeah, but it won't be the same, man. This one just special. Where you get this from?
Kingston, Jamaica, baby.
Oh, so you carry it from Jamaica to take it from England?
No.
So you carry enough for last for a year? Oh, well, you go Jamaica so often. How big go Jamaica so often? So.
It's ready. Nice little gravy.
That looks good. Watch your pepper on the corner around this one. That looks good.
Just drop it on the end, please, just a little.
That looks nice. Look at this, Marianne. Marianne, no Marianne, you need to start a YouTube channel. Look at this. The motor run water, so hey, gotta go, honey. Anyway, guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam. I love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.